Hello everyone, welcome back. This is our continuance of our vlog here on the North Runway. More planes here, guys. So thank you so much for your watching the video, and I hope you watch all the video that I upload. It's kind of long to upload in one time, so I decided to split into 3 videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for your for watching this video, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more content in my channel. God bless everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
United Airlines about to take off, guys. Look how gloomy today. Allegiance is also taking off. We have SES taking off on the south side. See how cloudy today. Very cloudy. Alright, United is ready for takeoff. Took off so soon. Wow. Delta. Guys, we have American Airlines taking off. American Eagle. Alright, let's go! Let's go! Ah! Oh, the tree! Where did it go? Guys, we have Emirates taking off on the south side. Surf City. Delta. Guys, we have Delta and Southwest, so it's going to take off. Here we go. Tree. I can't see him. Whoa, where did he go? I can't see him. Alright, there's another one, guys, landing. What plane is it? Oh, Lufthansa? We have another one, guys. We can't see what kind of plane is this one. Oh, United Airlines. 787, United Airlines. Lot took off on the south side. We have Delta, guys. Delta touchdown. Oh, Emirates taking off on the south side. Alright guys, we have Delta. It's taking off right now. Another Delta. We have another Delta landing. It's good over here. They're over here. Alright guys, we have Southwest landing on the north side. Lots of wire. There you go. Oh, KLM on the south side. We have another Delta. We have a lot of Deltas taking off today. Oh, Emirates taking off on the south side. Oh.
Wow, that's so cool, guys. Oh well. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like to this video, and I will see you guys next time here at LAX plane spotting. Have a good one everyone, and thank you so much for watching.